So first one is দেখা যাচ্ছে, do you like traveling? Assalamu alaikum everyone, what is up people? Welcome back to new video. It's Tariqul Islam Sani. I hope that you all are stay well, and alhamdulillah I am also pretty well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So today's video will be very important for you guys, because in this video I wanna show you how to practice English on different subjects. Okay, so I'm not your teacher. I make videos because it is helpful for my speaking English. So whatever. So যে কোনো একটি টপিক নিয়ে as well as টপিকের উপর ভিত্তি করে প্রশ্ন মেক করে আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারি। যেমন let's get, so let's get started. So today I will talk about traveling topic as well as কিছু প্রশ্ন কালেক্ট করলাম। So first one is দেখা যাচ্ছে, do you like traveling? তো আমি প্রশ্ন করে উত্তর দিব। So sure, I like traveling. I like to travel a lot. Okay, so second question is, what do you like to do when you go to new places? যখন আপনি নতুন জায়গায় যান তখন আপনি আপনার কি করতে পছন্দ করেন? Oh, interesting question. So when I go to new place, I enjoy a lot of pleasure, and I like to take a lot of picture, and chatting with friends is a lot of fun. Okay, so third one is, do you like to travel with your friends or family? আপনি আপনার বন্ধুদের সাথে নাকি ফ্যামিলির সাথে ভ্রমণ করতে পছন্দ করেন, and why, কেন? সো আমি আনসার দিচ্ছি, আপনারাও বিভিন্ন রকমভাবে আনসার দিতে পারেন। Basically, I like to travel with my friends because a lot can be shared with friends. Any subject can be discussed. In fact, it is not understandable because those who travel with friends, you know best. So, and have a lot of fun with them. Happiness and sadness can be shared. So this is where I like to travel with my friends. So that's it for today's. See you in another video. If you like the video, please like it. Thank you all of your having patience and nice cooperation. Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.